Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can convert your character from A pose to T pose. Okay, if you already your character rest pose was in A pose, I'm going to show how you can convert into T pose using RealMotion Pro. RealMotion Pro is Blender add-on that allows you to transfer animation. It has over 450 plus motion library you can transfer to your rig, and it supports popular AutoRig, Mixamo, and Rigify. But before this add-on can work with your character, it's better to make your character in T pose. So I'm going to show you how you can convert your character from A pose to T pose. First, when I select this character and I go to the bone data here, I can see the rest pose is A pose, as you can see from here. And now when I move, you can see there's keyframe and something like this. So let's go to the settings. When you go to settings here, we have rig choice. If your character is rigged with Rigify, choose Rigify. If you're rigged with Mixamo, choose Mixamo. But this character is rigged with AutoRig, so I'll choose AutoRig and use the pick to pick your character. Okay, so once your character has been selected, the next thing you have to do is click on remove keyframes, because even if your character doesn't have keyframe, you have to make sure you click on this so that if there's keyframe on it, it will remove. So once I click on this, you can see there's no keyframe here, and click on force reset pose, and this will reset your pose to its rest pose like this. Okay, so now we need to convert this character into T pose. So what we have to do is make sure our character is in FK mode. You can see this character hands is in IK and the leg is in IK. To convert into FK, make sure you have choose your rig choice and the target and click on switch FK. Once I click on it, let me go to pose mode again, and when I choose, you can see now the rig is in FK. Okay, so this is what I want. Now the next thing you are going to do is you are going to convert into T pose. So how we can do this is first click on import T pose rig. Here make sure you have to choose your rig choice and you have to choose this. You can see there's a calculation going on here. When you select your bone and you click on set calculate, you can see the character has straight the hands, means it's setting to T pose. We are set for this the arm. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use automatic. You can also do it one by one here. If you want to include the leg to be also part, you can choose the leg. Okay, and here I'm going to do for both leg and the arms. So let's click on OK, and now I can see my character has set to T pose. Now I'm going to apply this as my rest pose. Still, where I'll go to rest pose, you can see this how it's look, but let's apply this as a rest pose. So click on apply, and now when I go to rest pose, you see this has become my rest pose of the cat. If I go to pose mode and I press Alt X, still this is my rest pose. This is what we want. Now your character has set to T pose. Now you can go to your animation and choose your rig choice and choose animation you want, and you can pick your and choose any animation you want here, and you can load, and your character will start doing the animation. Okay, so this is what I need. So let's move on to the next steps.